So, how's your day going?
It's going well, thanks. How's yours?
My day is going great ever since you got in the car.
Oh, that's
I just
really
have to
nice.
say, not trying to be too cheesy, but I did eat pizza last night.
Ooh, what kind of pizza?
Do you get it? Because it's cheese and pizza.
I put it together.
I have a cheesy pickup line,
Okay.
but then I ate too much pizza. Or no, sorry. Well, let me try it one more time. Okay. I'm kind of nervous. I had a pickup line about pizza, but it was too cheesy. You get it? Because it's like the what's it called? It's a pun, right? Or joke on words? Play on words.
Yep.
You make me nervous.
Yeah.
My heart is like, what do they call it? Skip to beat. Is that right?
That's sweet. Yeah, sure.
So, are you single?
Yeah, I'm single.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
Not that I'm need to know that information. You know, I'm just your Uber driver. But you know what they say? Love hits you in the weirdest places.
Like where specifically?
I'm just saying, maybe in an Uber car. Have you ever gone on like a cruise or something?
Yeah, I actually just went on a cruise last year.
Oh, where to?
Mexico.
Yeah, so you know what they say, in Mexico, you drink margaritas, and then a little tequila, feel a little fancy. Now you're in an Uber car, and it's basically the same thing. So, you know, I don't got too much going on in my life right now. I'm just mainly driving Uber, and I'm trying to do this whole Bitcoin thing, but it's not even working out too much. I bought one of these little rigs at home to mine Bitcoin, but I can't figure out how to turn the dang thing on. So I was wondering, you know, since I got a lot of free time, pretty much free 7 days a week, Valentine's Day is coming up. Would you maybe want to, I mean, you probably say no, but I mean, unless you're already, I'm sure you're already busy, but like, if you happen to be free, would you maybe want to go out for dinner or something?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yay!
Well,
You down?
Well.
Oh my God, I'm going to tell all my friends right now. Hold on.
Don't you feel like we should maybe like have something slightly more casual before going to like a Valentine's dinner, you know?
You literally just said yeah, though.
I just meant like, I hear you.
This is why girls and like guys girls are so confusing, because it's like they say one thing, they mean another.
Okay, but like you didn't let me finish my sentence there. So,
So you're down. So you're basically saying yes?
Well, see, like my friends and I were gonna do this little Galentine's thing on Valentine's Day.
Valentine's Day is for boys and girls to come together.
Okay, it's not
or
just
girls
for
and
boys and girls.
Or girls and girls if you're into that. I mean, I'm not. Or boys and boys. I'm not saying not. Or what are the other genders or the other?
It's for everybody.
The sapiosexual things. But so, I mean, are you down?
You know what? Why not?
Are you serious?
Yeah.
You're serious?
Yeah, we can go out for pizza.
For pizza?
Sure.
All right, a 5-star restaurant?
If you find a 5-star pizza restaurant, absolutely.
And we go to the movie theater after?
Okay, well, let's see how the pizza goes, and then we can decide on a movie.
How about this? We get pizza. Take it back to my place. I make you my own style of pizza. I'll put it that way.
Okay. Again, maybe let's just start with the pizza, and then,
all right, I'm getting too ahead of myself.
I would be interested to see.
Let's just say I'll put on some of my own toppings, if you know what I mean.
Okay. Yeah.
Let's just say there might be a little extra sausage on this pizza.
Gotcha. Well, I am a vegetarian, but you know, I am known to cheat every now and then.
Oh, okay. Well, anyways, Suzanne, it's great to meet you. I'm gonna drop you off right here.
Thank you.
Don't worry about the ride. The ride's on me. It's all free.
Really sweet of you. Thank you so much.
And I'll text you.
Yeah, you can just get my number through the app, right?
Yeah, I can hit you up through the app.
Great.
I'll do it through the rating thing.
Perfect.
Just looking for my comment on the rating.
Okay, great. Yeah, you take care.
All right, see ya. Make sure to get home safely.